potato, scallion, pepper. So these.
Corn. You have to check down this. So. Yeah. Moisha Oreo.
How much for this?
All of this?
Yeah.
Moisha, how much you pound for the pumpkin again? Moisha, how much you pound for the pumpkin? Pumpkin 1 Is that 360? You want it?
Yeah.
All of it? Look at them put in a box. Yeah.
Get some potato. Some
Irish. Sweet potato. So what? You get it? Go ahead. Kara.
How much pound is that? Seriously, good morning. Good morning. Hello? Hello? Hello, good morning. Who am I speaking to? Oh, carrot as well. What is this? Is Jalio? Hello? Jalio?
Yeah, 250. Yeah.
Carrots.
250 that's a 4 now. Yeah?
4.5. And how much for corn?
How much for that? $200 pound. 300.
3 to 100, 5 silver 100.
Yeah, 300.
Black and brown shoe quality.
How much that carrot you want?
1 pound.
1 pound?
So that's around
Pumpkin at 220. Cucumber. Garlic. Pepper. Orange. Garlic.
What else?
Check.
Look up here.
Check for. Come on, I think that's.
Maybe for now, one more for Chico. Like for Chico. No, there's one thing on there. What else?
No, but
Yeah.
two.
Chico. Wait. No, honestly, like I told you. You can pop back, girl. I mean, I tell more. But that deal broke, you know. If you put on that back there, the whole of the yam broke out, because I am soft. You never know. But some people say, Irish Cambro. Alright. Four something. Alright, so four. What you say me I get for? Much? What you say me I give for 1 to 1? So 4, 8, 6, 4. What's the after? Alright, 6 to 11. $100 after that. 180. 180, yeah. 180.
How much you guys sell garlic for? How much for the garlic?
130 about.
130.
About the whole bag. Yeah, like for all of them.
For the one each one.
Look at the one right now. What we get? We got the 120. What do I get from you?
Add the garlic?
You can forget about too much.
I'm sure you can. Just right.
Sure.
Positive. Come on. Alright, good man. £2 flour, £2 sugar. No, sorry. Rice instead of sugar. Pardon? Flour. Oh, this is £2, right? Alright, so how much per pound for flour? Alright, give me £4.
I get you. It holds your phone.
Rice. You have cup noodles. Yeah, cup noodles. No. Cup, like cock soup. Noodles. How much for it? How much? Give me two. By the way, you guys take cards? Okay. Coconut milk? The package? And a comment. Alright. You have salt? Salt and black pepper? How much is that?
£4.
Yeah, salt and black pepper?
I have salt.
Miss salt.
So you should have printed the bank. That's your number.
Alright, so how much is that?
Like in the UK. You should have waited.
How much is that?
£4.90. Yeah. You go on right. You should have waited.
Yeah, black pepper.
Which one you want?
Just ordinary black pepper, just one black pepper.
No, yeah, some people don't like the tie out, they want the pack. We are not sure when the tie out one neck.
Oh, yeah, man, we can use it.
Alright? But this one pick anything where you want. Grab black pepper, anything you
Oh,
want.
you're one then?
Jump, go on, man. Anything over there, so belongs to you.
Alright.
Yeah.
This one, black pepper. 50? Yeah, man. Alright. Young lady there is very nice. Good sales woman.
Grazie, Joey.
No, no.
Oh, you're not even checking for that.
Thank you.